Wagwan, my peeps. Welcome back to my channel, The Lone Soldier. I'm Ricardo. Thank you for joining me. Hope you're doing okay. And today we're going to talk about 5 interesting points I got from the brogad press conference. But as you know, we have to drop our positive line, our quote, and it goes, the white liberals differs from the white conservative only in one way. The liberal is more deceitful than the conservative. Both want power. But the white liberal is the one who perfected the art of posing as the sufferer's friend and benefactor. Deep, don't it? But I mean, change it to sufferer because I don't know when we really said this. I don't know where they on YouTube and when I watch a guidelines, so we can't really call out certain things on the net. But with that clearly I sure say the liberal is a word with them seize up and, to use. Make it look nice and thing, which is a deceitful thing. Because as I tell you in the Bob Marley video, they only can get to us, anytime they want to get to us, they can get to us through political strategy. And whenever we're supposed to get some food, our brother becomes our enemy. You understand? So you have to be wary of the words that they use, which I'm tell you about words of spells. So the 5 points where we're going to attack today, myself, don't really say attack, but we're going to discuss on it. I'm going to show you something. It's the mass, the rights-based system, fake news / vaccines, get information, and the liberal democracy, as we just read. But you don't know where to leave that for the final based on how I hit at the punching point. So we're going to discuss all the others before. But the information you don't know, we always tell you, say, check the information. Me always show you the sites them when I get my stuff them, and show you say are legit, and me always try to show you say go out and do some research, and me always try to crap down my thing them where you can see say a legit thing when I go up on you Google or different sites where me know. Because as I say, I know to them I do that thing as a good while me I watch them. You understand, and I watch certain little things to find out, So when me hear him say the liberal thing, it just kind of, I said, I know the Western life, But as I say, we get into that, But first up, you don't know, we're going to start off with the mass, So have a look at your screen. Alright, please have a look at your screen, and this is from the CEBM. The Center of Evidence-Based Medicine develops, promotes, and disseminates better evidence for healthcare, masking lack of evidence with politics. That's the heading, and here we go. The increasing polarized and politicized views on whether to wear masks in public during the current COVID-19 crisis hides a bitter truth on the state and contemporary research and the value we pose in clinical evidence to guide our decision. In 2010, at the end of the last influenza pandemic, there were 6 publicized randomized controlled trials with 4,147 participants focusing on the benefits of different types of masks. They were done in healthcare workers and in 4 family or student clusters. The face mask trials for influenza-like illness ILI reported poor compliance, rarely reported harms, and revealed the pressing need for future trials. Despite the clear requirement to carry out further large pragmatic trials, a decade later only 6 have been published, 5 in healthcare workers and 1 in pilgrims. This recent crop of trials added 9,112 participants in the total randomized denominator of 13,259 and showed that masks have no significant effect in interrupting the spread of the ILI or influenza in the general population, nor in healthcare workers. So you see, what this I try to tell you is that the evidence for them I use the mask span is from the last pandemic, which was the influenza. And as you can clearly see, it states that it did have no significant effect. You understand? Yet we all have been forced to wear masks on our face, and it is very uncomfortable. I don't know about you, it is very uncomfortable. Very. You know, every minute me dry it off of my face. I don't know about you. I'm not pretending here, but this thing need to really check out. You understand? And this is one of the top investigating medicine place in the United States. But as you can see, their opinion were not publicized for you to see and judge. You understand? So I don't know. This thing is not accurate. And as we point out in the corona video, them say certain things now really add up. You know, but make we move along. You know? Alright, and him also mentioned say him want develop a rights-based system. Which I don't really understand the one neither, but look for your screen. A rights-based system approach means integrating human rights, norms and principles in the design, implementation, monitoring and evaluating of health-related practices and programs. You understand? And human rights, well, a quick story time. Well, I was at my house one day with my girlfriend and our kids them. And the gate just bust open. It was a police officer and like about three soldiers. A police officer and I believe it was 3 or 4 soldiers. Bust the gate, come in. And the dog I go rush them. And this man, I know say him I go shoot my dog. And I'm like, you bust off the gate and come in and you go shoot the dog? The dog now protect in premises, you understand? And I was like, really? And nobody, there was no shooting or anything. And I like, them really come arrest nobody. You understand? Them just bust off the gate and I walk in. You understand? Where else them can go do that? You understand? So, brogad, the rights thing, that not go work neither. You understand? So, as I say, that need for revise, cause it's not equal. Cause them can't go uptown go do that. Them can't go up there to go do certain things, but them can do it here. You understand? So where is the rights? So certain people have rights and certain people don't have rights. As I said, that have to go relook. Yeah man, next up, fake news from vaccination. And as I said before, I always believe say you can't have the right wing without the left wing. You can't have the right hand without the left hand. So it's good for make information soar. You know, you can read it and get your own concept on it. You can read it and you can say, well, wait a say crap. But this is from a site where I'm gonna leave the link in the description where them say vaccination, the hidden truth, you know, and it's with so much government and medical promotion of vaccination for prevention of disease, the video is clearly devoted to presenting the other side of the issue that parents and others are not being told. The result is damning account of the ineffectiveness of vaccines and their often harmful effects. It declares that parents are not being told the truth by the media and the health department and the medical establishment, and with a medical doctor, Mark Donahoe, confessing that it is a problem for me that I am a part of a profession that is systematically lying to the people. You understand? And as I'm saying, I urge everyone to watch the video. Yeah? It's supposed to look like this. You know, it's about an hour or so, but trust me, it's worth your time. So build up a split, fry 2 dumpling or something, you know, if you see and take the time to watch it. It's very interesting, you know. As I'm saying, I leave the link in the description. You can check it out. Alright, so now we'll come up to the liberal democracy, you know. Yeah, cause this is a trick thing, you know, as I read out from before with the Malcolm X, you know, the liberal thing. Yeah, man. And isn't that what they really do? You know, you only see them when election time or them just send somebody around in a place certain time and them kind of thing. So as we know for the years, it's a trick thing. So let me read what it says. It's a liberal democracy, also referred to as Western democracy, is a political ideology and a form of government in which representative democracy operates under the principles of liberalism. It is characterized as elections between multiple distinct political parties, a separation of powers into different branches of government, the rule of law in everyday life as part of the open society, a market economy with private property, and the equal protection of human rights, civil rights, liberties, and civil rights and political freedoms for all people to define the system in practice. Liberal democracies often draw upon constitution either codified such as the United States or uncoded and uncodified such as the United Kingdom in delineate of the powers of government in the enshrine the social contract. After a period of sustained expansion throughout the 20th century, liberal democracy became the prominent political system in the world. So as you can clearly see, this them kind of thing, it not come from them side of place. Yeah. You understand? And as we did point out in the last video with the parts of them man idolize the greats them like the Hitlers and them thing, they are them kind of people, they are them kind of thing and them pray. Because if you notice, him familiarize himself neatly. You understand? Him call himself brogad. Every youth, every inner city youth can relate to that. You understand? And can gravitate to that. You understand? Remember, so you don't have chronicler run the thing hot. So, you have them man they call up him name in a song, and so you don't know it becomes more for the little man can pick up at that brogad use and get out the PNP. You understand? It's a tactic. Pose as your friend. You understand? This friendly neighborhood person, which in everybody come on, man. What the government actually do for people? You understand? That is where you start analyze all of the systems them where we face hardships, low pay, all of them things that them implement them. So my aim is to unite the people, because we all have a common enemy. Put away your God in your house for a minute and make we come out together and join together and fight war. Because if we don't take back our country, who's gonna? Who is gonna take it back if we don't? And I always urge you to do your own checks. I always urge you. And I even the other day I urge you even about the corona, say, start looking into this thing because, him say him connected to the whole society and who say even when vaccination come, it now go back to normal and it might be made mandatory. So when him go tell you, say, and the who said that? And who and who didn't know about the virus in China way before they didn't do anything. They allowed it to spread worldwide. So who can you trust? Whose information is the truth? Tell me now. So when them are gonna say the fake news and you must what kind of ulterior motives? All of these people with them are silence are doctors and people were in the thing when they're in a seat. So how we're not supposed to take their account into consideration and you're not the one working there, Mr. Brogad. So as I say, share the information, my people, and join the family because we want to grow. We are unite back the people of Jamaica together. Put we back together because you and I are not the enemy. We all have a common enemy, but it's not you and me. And if we don't come together, so them all split we up. So share the video. Drop a like, leave a comment. You understand? And if you're new, please subscribe. And this has been the Lone Soldier. I am Ricardo.